What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. Today I'll be showing y'all my most recent pickup. I picked up some grails, man, for under retail. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video, and go ahead and smash that thumbs up for your boy. So let's get right into it. So I have picked this pair of kicks up. They finally released over here in Germany. I picked them up from my local PX. If y'all haven't watched my past videos, like maybe 6 months ago, where I'll be picking up my shoes from the PX or the military exchange for under retail, man. I got these bad boys for $152 for a pair of OG grails, man. So I cannot complain about that. I think right now you can get this pair of shoes on StockX about $180, $190 price range. But like I said in my other videos, I did not feel like buying on StockX, waiting for my relatives to send it all the way over here. Just waiting for StockX takes at least 4 weeks, and it takes another 3 weeks to get a pair or any package from overseas if you don't pay for like the express shipping. So I waited it out. I got a little bug in my ear that these are releasing over here where I'm at, and I finally got them, man. So let's get into it. Here you see right there, $152, man. Size 8.5 for my 14s as always. Air Jordan 14 Retro. This colorway is black, varsity red, and black, man. So let's open them up. Y'all should already know what they are. So let's get into it. There you go. Got that 23 paper, standard paper, and bam, there you have it right there, baby. Air Jordan 14 last shots. Like I said, the beginning of the year, I did my top 10 most anticipated. Like I said, go check that out and go see what I said I was gonna cop. Because as you can see, I've been copping what I said that I wanted, minus a few pairs. I think I put the off-white ones in there, and I think what's else shoe I put in there? Maybe some other hard shoe to get that the resale was crazy. But I finally have them, man. I had to try on, I forget that I wear size 8.5 and 14s. So I went ahead and tried this one on in the store just to make sure that I wasn't gonna be snug or anything like that. But I finally got these bad boys in the collection. So for all y'all that was talking shit about, oh, he didn't get them because he just don't want to spend the money or some shit like that, man, go ahead, go back to the comments and delete them, man, you know what I'm saying? But here you have it, Air Jordan 14 last shot things. I'm gonna pull out my, you know, the pack where they came in 13s and 14s, the finest moments pack. These look damn near the same, so let me check them out real quick. So here you have it, DMPs, and you have the last shots. So as you can see, only thing different, well, it's a lot of differences, but the shoes, they both plain and basic. But if I had to pick one or the other, I would have to go with these last shots, man. These have been on my grail list since I started YouTube. Just go back and do your history, man. See what I've been talking about. And like I said, I was gonna get this shoe eventually, even if I had to wait for them on StockX. Like I said, I got that little bug in my ear that they were releasing at my local military exchange, man. I got it for $152, bro. You cannot beat that still. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with a quick on feet since this video was short. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope y'all enjoyed this pickup video with me. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up for your boy for this dope pickup, man. With all that being said, follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The links is always in the description box below. Let's get into that on feed. Let's get it.